Namaskar दोस्तों. Today we will going to do another unboxing of Port Airdopes 141 series. This airdrop comes at the price of 1200 rupees only. The box is looking very attractive. Short description has been given. The color combination of the box is very fine. It shows that Boat is doing lot of investment in their packaging. You can see here that the seal is very intact. However, I managed to open this seal. Once the seal has been opened, the first thing the user can see that is the box, white color box with cover packaging, another box, upper flip. These are the few documentation. This is the first set of documentation showing how the user guide of the whole device, stickers, another documentation work. Just like user guide, you can see that. This is the another stuff for marketing, showing that what the board do have, what the product range and all. And this is these are few more stickers. Attractive, youth oriented. Wow, they also have giving the thank you notes. After purchasing, they are saying thank you to you. And this is another document. Board can reduce these documentation work. Now we can see that what we have in this box. When any person is going to open, the first thing is that is charging cable. No charging adapter is there, only charging cable and extra buds are there. The box is not useful, but we can use this. The upper case is very fine, very good quality of upper box. Gray and blue, wow, what a combination we have. This is very youth oriented coloring thing has been given. The box is very fine. The charging cable is C type. They do also have a charging symbol, that what is the strength of the charging case. Like try to connect with Bluetooth, just open it, refresh it, pair it. 3 steps. And it can pair in a very quickly. You can see here that now the Bluetooth volume button is reflecting here, just trying to open or play some song or some content. So you can see here that any person cannot play any song, like if Airdopes will be inside the charging case. So you need to take out it. This Airdop is very useful for students, for working professionals. The battery capacity is around 10 hours, which is not bad. Comes in a very cheaper price. Hopefully you like the content of the video. If you like it, then please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching it. See you very soon. Bye bye. Sabak has. See you soon later. Bye bye.